Hey guys, welcome to Caleb's tutorial. Today we're going to be making a paper gun. So what you will need is scissors, some paper or construction paper will work too, and some clear tape. Let's get started. First, what you want to do is you want to take any piece of paper. I'm going to use a black one. Can't even find it. I'm going to use green, no orange. Too bright out. Okay, let's go back to green. Anyway, so now that you have one piece of paper, what you want to do is you want to lay it down and you want to fold it the hot dog way. Now you want to open it back up. Take your scissors and cut it where the line is from where you folded it. Now you should have two strips of paper. What you want to do now is take one of them and you want to fold it the hot dog way again. Sorry if you can't see it so good. My cam is kind of messed up. Now you want to open it back up and fold into the middle line. Don't mind the background noise. Just my family out there being very noisy. Now we want to do it on the other side. And make sure you leave a little space in the middle. Then you want to fold it in half. And then fold it in half again like that. Now you should have this. It kind of looks like a V shape. Now you want to put that aside and do the same thing with the other one. The exact same thing. Now you should have two of these. Now what you want to do is you want to take one of them. We'll actually take both of them. First, what you want to do is you want to fold one in half like that. And make sure the folded part is in front. See, this is the folded part. And the part that opens up is in the back. Okay? So then you want to take another one and you just want to put it over like that. So it overlaps. Now you want to take it and you want to fold it up into here. Hold on, I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. See, what I mean is, see, I made this. What I did was I took this part, the part that was folded down, and I folded it up into one of these, the very first one. So you want to do that. And then you want to do it on the very first one on the other side. Now, what you want to do is you want to take one piece of tape about like 1 inch or 2 inches. You just want to take it, you want to go like this, and you want to tape the bottom together. See where it opens up on the bottom? You want to tape it right there. Now we're finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye!